Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to generate new QR code for your Line account. Now let us begin. Well, I'm gonna show you guys two methods. At the top right next to the search icon, you can see the scanner icon right here. Click on it. Once you are in this page, what you guys need to do is simply focus on this thing that is called My QR Code. Click on it, and that is it. This is my QR code. Now let's say I want to regenerate it. Simply click on this regenerate button right here. Once you do that, all you guys need to do is hit on confirm. That way your QR code will be regenerated. Another way you can regenerate your new QR code is by simply going to settings. At the top right, you can see the settings icon right here. Click on it. Now from here, all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as privacy. Click on it right now. And this is it. Right here below letter ceiling, you can see the generate new QR code option once again. Click on it. Now all you guys need to do is simply provide your confirmation. Click on OK. And that's it guys. As you guys can see, the new QR code has been generated. Well, that's about it guys. That sums it up. That's how you regenerate new QR code for your Line account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.